Should you spray cleaner directly onto surfaces or onto the cloth? Spray a small amount onto the cloth rather than the surface to avoid oversaturation and maintain control, especially with electronics, glass, or wood. When cleaning electronics, unplug devices and use a lint-free microfiber cloth lightly dampened with cleaner to prevent liquid ingress into seams or ports. For glass, spray onto the cloth and wipe in a circular motion to lift grime, then finish with vertical strokes to remove streaks for a clear finish. With wood, avoid water-based cleaners that can swell or dull the finish. Use a product designed for wood and apply sparingly to the cloth, following the grain and buffing dry immediately. For porous surfaces such as painted walls or fabric, test in a hidden area first and blot rather than rub to prevent color loss or spread of staining. Always work from clean areas toward dirty areas so you do not reapply soil and replace cloths when they become saturated to maintain cleaning effectiveness. 3 common mistakes are spraying directly on electronics and letting liquid run into vents or connectors, which causes corrosion or short circuits. The remedy is to apply cleaner to the cloth and use minimal moisture. A second mistake is overwetting wood or laminate, which can warp, lift finishes, or leave tide lines. Fix this by using a small amount on a cloth, drying immediately, and choosing a product matched to the finish. Third is using abrasive cloths or too much pressure on glass and polished surfaces, which leaves scratches and micro-abrasions. Switch to a soft microfiber, use gentle pressure, and finish with a clean, dry cloth for polishing. We built bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work in their area. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share real-world tips, contractor experiences, and project feedback to help people make informed choices.